Let's draw and colour in an apple! Woohoo! It's kind of round with a little sort of heart shape at the top. Let's do a stem and a leaf. That's easy, isn't it? We're going to sit it on some stripes. Yes, a nice stripy background. That way we can add more colours. It kind of makes it interesting, don't you think? Right, what colour apple shall we do? Do you know what colour this is? It's one of the sweetest tasting apples around. Red! That's right! Well done. What colour shall we do the leaf? Green, of course. Right, now for our background. The top stripe is yellow. And then, ooh, I like this colour. It's pink. Next, let's do, yay, orange. Tell me, what colour is this? Blue, that's right, well done. And finally, my favourite, purple. Great job. And you learned all the colours too. Woohoo! Hi kids, how are you doing? Today we're going to draw one of our favourite vegetables. Can you guess what it is? Sort of a long triangle shape with rounded edges and 3 kind of leaves on top. What could it be? Any ideas? That's right, it's a carrot. Let's darken up the border. We make it nice and thick to make the colour stand out. A few lines, details, facial features. Ready to colour in? Orange, of course. But did you know that not all carrots are in fact orange? That's right, you can get white carrots, purple carrots. It's amazing, isn't it? All the variety you can get in one single vegetable. But they don't tell you about it because they only sell one colour in most shops. Anyway, our carrot is a lovely, friendly, smiley orange carrot because it's a lovely, bright, happy colour. Do you know what carrots are good for? They're full of vitamins! That's right! What vitamins are in a carrot? Do you know? Any idea? They are full of vitamin A! And they have some vitamin K, potassium, vitamin C, and even calcium and iron. They are very nutritious and kind of tasty too. Hey, do you prefer yours raw or cooked? I love them raw. I like to dip them in hummus. Colouring in the leafy part green. And we're almost there. And we're done. Perfect.
Hi kids, starting with cauliflower. Draw a cloud-like shape and the stem. Super easy. And now colour with green. Nice and neat. Fill it in. Vegetables are super healthy. A light green for the stem. Add some details with a lighter shade of green. Here is our yummy cauliflower. Delicious and healthy. Let's draw a carrot, a cloud shape and a cone shape. How easy was that? Color in with orange. And green for the leafy stem. Don't forget the details. That looks amazing! Rabbits love to eat carrots. A yummy carrot! Let's draw some corn, an oval shape and the husk below. And now color it green. It's super easy. Yellow for the seeds. And a lighter yellow. Draw lines like this to show all the seeds. Some more detailing. Yay! Yummy corn! Draw a curvy line like this, leaves and a stem on the top. Can you guess what fruit this is? A tomato! Color with green. And with red. Some more detailing, just like that. It looks so juicy and delicious. Tomato! Time to draw some peas. A curvy long line joined at both ends, little circles for the peas. Let's color it in with some light green. A different shade of light green for the peas. A little bit of dark green to color in the empty space. Details are important, don't forget them. Looks great! Delicious peas! I love pea soup. Don't you? Hope you had a fun time drawing and coloring, and of course learning about all the vegetables that are healthy. Are you ready to draw? Let's begin. For the broccoli, draw a curved line, one at the bottom too. Draw the head with V shapes and connect them with a curved line to the bottom. Draw the eyes and the pupil and color them in. He looks great. Draw eyebrows and a wide grin for our happy little broccoli. Now connect the V shapes with little curved lines and draw a cloud-like shape for his head. Yes, just like that. Now come the yummy peas. Start with a small circle, eyes and a happy grin. Our cute pea is jumping with joy. Now draw the pod with a curvy line on one side and a wavy line on the other. And in the same way, draw the other peas as well. Wasn't that easy? Let's make our masterpiece better with a nice and neat outline. Yes, just keep going. Now comes the best part. Let's color in. Begin coloring the broccoli with a dark green color. Coloring is my favorite. Mr. Broccoli already looks great. For the stalk, let's use a light green shade. Here we go. Broccoli is very healthy and so tasty too. Don't you agree? Add some blue to his eyes. And orange for the mouth. Great! For the peas, use a light green color and begin coloring. Aren't they the cutest little peas? And lastly, let's color the pod with a dark green color. Woohoo! We're done! And here they are, kids, the yummiest broccoli and the happiest peas. Hello, kids! For a yummy pineapple, draw a curved U shape. For the crown, let's draw little triangles, just like that. And the last step, cover the pineapple with slanted, curvy lines. And now, let's do the same to make a crisscross pattern. This is so much fun, and drawing a pineapple is super easy. Let's add the final touches by making more triangles for the crown. And done! Time to paint. Let's start with the color gold. We're going to make a fun, colorful pineapple. So now let's use some pink. And now some green. Some purple will be great too. orange will look perfect. And now some cyan. And let's not forget red. Wow! Let's use green for the crown. We did such a great job! Woohoo! Look at all the pretty colors. A yummy and healthy pineapple. Hope you had fun!
Hey kids, how are you today? We are going to draw and paint a bunch of grapes. Fantastic! It's one of my favourite fruits. How about you? Now it's really easy because all you need to do is draw loads of circles side by side. You can just draw freehand like we're doing here, or if you like, you could use, say, the bottom of a glass or a pot to trace around to get a perfect circle shape. So we keep layering these circles, these grapes, until we end up with a kind of lopsided upside down triangle shape. We're adding a stem and a leaf. And then we'll thicken up the border, nice thick black, and in between the grapes too, I think. This is going to make the colour of the grapes really stand out. That's it. Excellent. Ready to paint? We're going for purple. Of course, there are many different varieties of grapes. You can do whatever colour you like. We're doing a lovely purple, or otherwise known as black grapes. They are some of the sweetest varieties around. If you want to be really creative, you can do rainbow grapes. Make it interesting. So we're painting, but you can obviously use colouring pencils or pens or whatever you like. Here are some facts that I bet you didn't know about grapes. Grapes are actually berries. That's right. The word berry actually meant grape in Old English. Bet you didn't know that one. Grapes have been around for 65 million years. Can you believe that? Wow, that is a long time. People have been cultivating grapes for about 8,000 years. And guess what? There are 8,000 different varieties of grapes. Yep, I bet you just thought there was green, red and black, right? One serving of grapes provides 27% of your daily vitamin C. And you know what vitamin C is good for? Your immune system. It keeps you healthy and strong, stops you getting sick. So grapes are a very good addition to your diet. I definitely recommend you eat some. Just make sure that you cut them in half lengthways before you eat them, because grapes are also, unfortunately, very easy to choke on. Almost done? Finishing touches? Now let's do the stem. We'll do that brown. And a green leaf. Lovely contrast with the purple, don't you think? That's it. Carefully going inside all the black lines. Let's add a bit of shine. We're using white paint, just a little stroke on each grape. Makes them look all shiny. And there you have it, a bunch of grapes. Well done.
Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art!